Hey you guys, welcome to Mike Greed Outdoors. Thanks for watching this video. Hey, it's me. I just got myself sheared there yesterday. I get myself sheared about once a year. So, yeah, that's me. But anyway guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take chaga dust and a chunk of chaga and start a fire with it. Chaga has been used for thousands of years, guys, to carry fire and start fires all over the world where it grows. And after I found this chaga and used the pieces that I've got here to make tea with, I decided I'd show you guys how easy it is to start a fire just using chaga dust and a little sliver of chaga. Okay you guys, in this video you're going to see me take a piece of chaga mushroom right there that I've drank all the goodie out of and make a fire with it. Now I've found out that that's a little bit hard to light with this little dinky striker right here, but watch how easy it is if I add chaga mushroom dust. All it takes is one of them little sparks, guys, to get in that dust. And you protect it there for a second or two and this thing will burn until it burns every bit of that dust up. Now chaga mushroom was used by the Indians and white men alike to carry fire. And this is just one of the mushrooms that they used off of trees. There's other funguses that you can use as well, but since I had this chaga here, I thought I'd show you guys how that worked today. It'll just sit right there and smolder. And you can light your tinder, whatever it is you want to light with it. Very easy to do. Now, you know, you can buy these things at the store, guys. See that little thing right there? Inside that, I've got charred cloth. But I could actually put that chaga dust in there and do the same thing. These things don't cost very much. They're waterproof and they do have that little striker on them. Stick it in your pocket and in an emergency situation, you've got fire right in your pocket. Watch how good that stuff burns. Simple as that, you guys. That's just dried grass right out of the yard. Thanks for watching this video, guys. God bless you and have a great day.